Have you ever unlocked the secrets of human psychology and uncovered the hidden gems that can transform your daily lives? Today, I invite you to embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment as we explore a treasure trove of psychological hacks designed to elevate your existence. But before we dive into these invaluable strategies, let's grasp the essence of psychological hacks and their profound impact on our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Psychological hacks are ingenious methods rooted in the science of human behavior. They are tools designed to leverage our cognitive and emotional tendencies, nudging us towards positive outcomes and helping us navigate life's myriad challenges with greater ease and resilience. By understanding how our minds work and employing these hacks strategically, we can unlock our full potential and cultivate a life of purpose, fulfillment, and joy. So, without further ado, let's explore 10 psychological hacks that can revolutionize your daily existence. Gratitude journaling. Start each day by jotting down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple act rewires your brain to focus on the positive, fostering a mindset of abundance and contentment amidst life's ups and downs. Example: today I'm grateful for the warmth of the morning sun, the laughter of loved ones, and the opportunity to pursue my passions. Mindful breathing. Take regular breaks throughout the day to engage in mindful breathing exercises. By anchoring yourself in the present moment and regulating your breath, you can alleviate stress, enhance clarity of thought, and cultivate inner peace. Example: close your eyes, inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold your breath for 4 counts, exhale slowly for 6 counts, and repeat. Power of visualization. Harness the power of visualization to manifest your dreams into reality. Create a vivid mental image of your goals and aspirations, imbued with emotion and detail, and watch as your subconscious mind orchestrates the steps to turn them into tangible achievements. Example: athletes visualize themselves crossing the finish line or scoring the winning goal before it happens, priming their brains for success. The Pomodoro technique. Break down daunting tasks into manageable intervals using the Pomodoro technique. Work intensely for 25 minutes, then reward yourself with a 5-minute break. This method boosts productivity, combats procrastination, and maintains focus. Example: set a timer for 25 minutes and dedicate yourself fully to studying, writing, or working on a project. After completing 1 Pomodoro, take a short break to recharge. Random acts of kindness. Spread joy and positivity by performing random acts of kindness. Whether it's offering a compliment, holding the door open for someone, or volunteering your time, these small gestures not only brighten someone else's day, but also uplift your own spirit. Example: pay for a stranger's coffee in line behind you, or leave an encouraging note for a colleague. Limiting beliefs. Challenge limiting beliefs that hold you back from reaching your full potential. Identify negative thoughts or self-doubts, question their validity, and reframe them into empowering affirmations that propel you towards success. Example: instead of saying "I'm not good enough," reframe it as "I am constantly growing and learning, and I am capable of achieving great things." Digital detox. Take regular breaks from technology to recharge your mind and reconnect with the present moment. Set boundaries around screen time, designate tech-free zones in your home, and engage in offline activities that nourish your soul. Example: spend an afternoon hiking in nature, enjoying quality time with loved ones, or immersing yourself in a good book without distractions. Practice active listening. Cultivate deeper connections and foster meaningful relationships by practicing active listening. Give your full attention to others, validate their feelings, and seek to understand before being understood. Example: instead of formulating your response while someone is speaking, focus on truly hearing their words and empathizing with their perspective. Embrace failure as growth. Embrace failure as a natural part of the learning process and an opportunity for growth. Reframe setbacks as valuable lessons, celebrate your efforts regardless of the outcome, and persevere with resilience and determination. Example: Thomas Edison famously said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work," illustrating the power of persistence in the face of adversity. Morning affirmations. Start your day on a positive note by reciting empowering affirmations. Affirm your worth, resilience, and potential, setting the tone for a day filled with confidence, clarity, and purpose. Example: I am capable, I am worthy, and I am destined for greatness. Incorporate these psychological hacks into your daily routine, Experiment with what resonates most with you, and witness the transformation unfold in your life. Remember, the journey to self-improvement is not about perfection but progress, and each small step you take brings you closer to the vibrant, fulfilling life you deserve. So, my friends, seize the power within you, embrace these psychological hacks, and embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Together, let us cultivate a life of abundance, resilience, and boundless joy. The world awaits your greatness. Go forth and shine brightly. Thank you.